What's going on with y'all, man? It's 7:30 in the morning. I got a few hours before I have to, start my day and whatnot. So I decided now is the perfect time for me to learn Docker. So I've never used Docker before. So this is totally new to me, and I'm just gonna be figuring this shit out as I go, I guess. So I plan on making a Python3 app. It's gonna be a Flask app, and we're gonna use Pee-wee. Let me get my display on here. Hold on. Let's make sure there's nothing y'all ain't supposed to be seeing. Alright, move that. Alright, let's see. Screen capture. I don't know why the hell it's so big, but let me see. Boom. Why is it like that? I think my resolution is right. Alright, it's gonna be like that. I don't know if that's weird or stretched or whatever, but we gonna deal with it. And I'm gonna put my webcam right here. Alright, cool. That's cool. Alright, so this is the wrong fucking screen. That's probably why. Is it? Yeah, that's the wrong damn screen. Hold on. Properties. My Ultra Gear. Alright. There we go. Now it scales. Now it scales properly. Alright, so let's do it. Let's do it. So let's go right into Docker getting started. Let's see, we got the documentation here. Or this ain't the docs. These are the docs. Alright, so getting started, we're gonna embark on a comprehensive learning path. You know what? Let's open up PyCharm while we're at it. Let me hide my thingy. I don't want y'all to see anything you're not supposed to see. So Docker Flask demo is what we're gonna call the project. Boom. And then comment that scene. Man, I got an AC on in my house. I'm still fucking sweating balls. I don't know how that works, but whatever. Alright, so let's get a little project going. So let's do pip install. Let's pip install Flask. What? Pip. There. Source. And activate pip install Flask. Oh, that was weird. Whatever. Upgrade pip while we're at it. Make a requirements.txt. We'll put Flask in it, and while we're at it, we'll do pip install Pee-wee. Okay, and we'll put Pee-wee in there. So let's get a little app set up before we start diving into Docker. So if main equals main pass, and let me see, no Python. We use that one. Docker class. Okay. So we'll create a package, call it app. And I like to use this method to create my Flask apps. I don't recall the method name at this moment, but this is the method I like to use. So we'll do app equals create app, boom. Then we'll run it here. We run the file, we got a little Flask app going. So now I want a database. So we'll make a config. I will do class config pass config, and we'll do extensions. Database, and then we'll do db equals Flask db, which is a convenient wrapper Pee-wee offers you. And what it does is it just let's see. So it just it's a convenience wrapper for configuring a Pee-wee database for use with a Flask application. It provides a base model class, and it registers handles to manage the database connection during a request response cycle. So is there like a sample code? I don't see any sample code or what it does, but it's pretty useful. So yeah. So we'll do db init app, and then here here we could do register extensions from extensions import database configure app. Why is my name like that? Database. Boom. Now if we try to run it now, it's going to give us an error. We need to configure the database URL. So boom, hold on. We'll do database equals, we'll do instance folder equals os path John, os path their name file. So we'll be the config, then we'll go back one, and we'll call it instance, and then we'll do os make dir's instance folder exist okay equals true. Database equals os path John instance folder db SQLIte3. Right. Or no, this would be the database file. The database URL would be SQLIte database file. Let's see if that works. Oh, we need to initialize the config. From config, import config, app config, from object config. Nice. Okay, we should see an instance folder pop up here. PyCharm takes a minute to do it for some reason, but boom, we have an instance folder. There's no database file because we need to create models, and we will do that soon. Let's just do it right now so we can get it out the way. So let's do something like an off model. We'll do class user, and again, this provides a base model class, and we can conveniently, we could do something like from database import db in here. Whoops, what did I do? Then we could do db model. From app extensions import db, class user, db model, and we'll give it a username, a char field, and it's going to be unique. Alright, so now we could do something like def create tables models with db database as database create tables models. Alright, and here we'll do import all models and create the tables that from models import models. We'll do models equals from off import user. Boom. And then we'll do database create tables models. Run it again. Now we should see a database file when we look on our folder. Okay, yep, it's right there. Database or db.SQLIte3. Okay, cool. All right, so that's a little sample app. So we create a database. We have a model. We don't really do anything with the model yet. Yeah, we'll just make a full-fledged little application here. We'll make a way we can create the models. I'm just gonna use Flask admin because that's the simplest to set up right now. So admin, init app, and then we'll do class user view, model view, pass, peewee. We'll do admin app view, user view, from app import models, user. Boom. And let's see here. And we need to initialize this. Admin. Okay. Run this again. What's wrong? We need WTF peewee. Okay. That's fine. Why is this showing? What you mean it's not installed? It most definitely is. My IDE is bugging today. So boom. So we got nothing there, but we go to admin. We have a user page, and we have a way to create a user. We enter the username, hello. Internal server ever, nice. No secret key was set. Let's see, secret key equals, we'll just put it right here. Secret key equals OS random 24. Secret key. One more time, and we should be good to go. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice. So user 1, or ID 1 is hello, ID 2 is hello 1, 2, 3. We'll delete both of them. All right, so that's a simple Flask app with a database and a simple model too. So now that we got that out the way, we could get started on Docker. So let's see here. Getting started, embark on a comprehensive learning path to understand Docker and containerization, beginning with foundational concepts and installation procedures. Progress through hands-on exercises that cover essential Docker commands, image creation, and container orchestration. Alright, so we need Docker desktop. Do we have Brew on here? We do have Brew. Alright, there's a DMG. We'll go by the docs. We'll just read this bit by bit, and we will deploy our app this way. Once it's installed, complete the setup process, and you're all set to run the Docker container. 2 gigabytes. Damn, how much space does my Mac have? I'm pretty sure I don't have a lot. I have 500 gigabytes. Yeah. Alright, so we got Docker. Let's launch it. Open. Accept. You know, I ain't reading that shit. Use recommended settings, required password. Is this my password? Alright, well, I don't want to sign in. What's your role? Back in. What will you use Docker for? I don't know yet. Who knows? Alright, cool. This is a nice little app we got here. Alright, I'll minimize that for now. Let's see. Try it out. You'll see how to run a Docker container using Docker desktop. Follow the instructions to run a container using the CLI. Alright. Let's look at what happens when we do this. Oh, TMUX sessions. That's crazy. Unable to find image. Okay, it downloaded it. So port is already allocated. Is that my Flask app? No, it's probably the container that we just started, maybe. Yep. Congratulations, you ran your first container. Awesome. Nice. Cool. Sick. Alright. Access. Okay. Manage containers. If we go to Docker Desktop, we have nice Yonif, handsome Hugel, or awesome Hugel, determined right, and practical Hugel. Okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. Let me see. This is like okay. What is this? Is this like a G Unicorn server or whatever? Ooh, this is pretty sick. And access the shell. Hmm. Select the inspect field to obtain detailed information about the container. ID, created, path. The fuck is itching me? This all looks interesting. This is, let's see, okay. So Docker Desktop simplifies container management for developers by streamlining the setup, configuration, and compatibility of applications across different environments, thereby addressing the pain points of environment inconsistencies and deployment challenges. Okay, it's time to start developing with containers. Let's do it. I already have a development project. I want to write a Docker file for this. Okay, so let's go here. We'll do touch Docker file. Oops. Okay, we got a Docker file. I don't want to clone that project. I want to write my own Docker file. Writing a Docker file. So let's see. A Docker file is a text-based document that's used to create a container image. It provides instructions to the image builder on the commands to run. For example, the following Docker file will produce a ready-to-run Python application. Nice, and it runs it with Unicorn too. Ooh, okay. Copy in the source code. Expose 5,000. This looks good. Like a good. Install Docker plugin. Curious. Run Docker file. Docker file. Container name. Demo. We'll call it Batman. Apply. Okay, let's see what happens. Copy source. Do you want to rename this to source real quick? No, you don't want to do that. Okay, this is where it failed. Excuse me. I don't have. Okay, what if I just take that out and run it again? It's building. It's installing my requirements. How will it? Let me see. App, main app. That's not good. That's not good because it's right here. How would I run this main class? ChatGPT, give me like a hello, what you call it? Nothing on here. I don't want y'all to see. Alright, let me see. This is the main IPY of my project. I'm trying to integrate it with Docker. What should my Docker file look like? So it says the container, there's a container started named Batman. What is it doing now? I don't think it's running. It's created. Let's stop this one. We'll delete it. We don't need these. Batman. What's Batman up to? Unicorn failed to create text. Okay, so state is ever failed to create task for container? Unable to start. Okay, so first of all, we don't have Ubicorn. Peak. We don't have Ubicorn, and we were pointing it at the wrong file anyways. So it would be Ubicorn main host 000 5000 or main app maybe. No. Huh. Why is that? This should just be this, realistically. Flask call missing. Let's try G Unicorn. I've never used Ubicorn before. So. Where the fuck is the terminal? Oh. Pip uninstall Ubicorn. SP install G Unicorn. G Unicorn serve. How do we do this? G Unicorn. Okay. Let's see. Main app. This looks proper. Yeah, I don't know what was so hard about that. Ubicorn failed out. So let's see, we could just copy this command, right? So G Unicorn main app bond. Let's see, that command work. G Unicorn main app bond 0.0 port 5000. Now we have to specify the port right here. Okay. Main app bond 0005,000. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. Alright, let's run the Docker file. Alright, it's downloading everything. Taking a few seconds. Alright, started the container Batman. It says created. Is there an issue? No, it's a create test. Is it in my requirements? It's not. Ubicorn still is. G Unicorn. Replace that. Delete. Yo, this is gonna come in handy. I feel like. I can see why so many people like this. Docker Flask, no more. Okay, boom, boom, boom. We'll delete everything. Fresh state. We don't need that. Boom. Docker file. Fuck you mean no margin anything? This is the same exact command, ain't it? G Unicorn main app bond. This is the same command we was just running. G Unicorn main app bond 0.0.0 5000. Boom, that loads. I'll even add a route real quick. Let's see, routes. Blueprint includes blueprint. Main core name. Blueprint route. Boom. Def home return hello world. And in here we could do register routes from routes import blueprint as main blueprint app register blueprint name blueprint. I'll probably remove that later, but this is just testing. Boom, boom, boom. Hello world. Okay. Now, run Docker file, and it's gonna give me a damn error. Like what? No module named main. Where is it trying to call this from? It starts, but then just crashes instantly. And can I have some more? Why the fuck is my keyboard doing that? Can I have some more information on what's going on with Batmap? Let's inspect. We're exposed to 5,000, right? Yep. We need to set the working directory. Okay, from Python 3.12. Work directory, user local app. That's not the right. Okay. So we'll try. Boom. Copy the current. Let me see. Hold on. If I do that, move Docker file, touch Docker file. We will copy this, but I still want the latest Python. I want some of this. Set the working directory in the container. Run pip install. This was working fine, so I'm not even gone. Expose 5,000 and Flask gap equals main.py. We'll add that. And we'll see what happens when we run this with the Flask gap thingy. Nice. That was actually pretty simple to get set up. Let's see if it's working. Aww. I was so happy for a second. Anything? It shouldn't be taking as long to open up a hello world. This is running, but how can we access it? Matter of fact, better question. Can I get this? Oh shit, I deleted it. I was trying to stop it. I was trying to see if we could get this running on G Unicorn. It's running on G Unicorn. How to access Docker? Okay, wait, I have a better question. What IP does Docker expose on? Let me see. Do they docs have anything about this? Why does this one work? Let me see. Port 8080. Is there anything we could do in Docker desktop to expose this real quick? Copy Docker run, view files, view details. Files, I'm curious about this app. This is just the source code. That's all cool. I'm more interested in finding out. Let me see. I have a unicorn app being served with Docker, but when I go to, nothing shows up. I know there's an IP we have to get, but let's make sure there's an updated Docker file. We need a Docker compose. Alright. Touch Docker compose. This looks like something that might fix it. Compose. Let it build, let it cook, let it cook. Boom, so boom, boom, boom. Create it and it started the container. There we go. There we go. Do we have to do anything extra to get SQLite working? Or is this just working? Hello? Attempt to write a read-only database. Great. One issue though. My Flask app has a SQLite database, and whenever I try to create a model with Flask admin, it gives me this error. Okay, we just need to update the Docker file. Chmod. Okay, let's see. That's right before the expose port code app instance. DB SQLIte3, right? Instance DB SQLIte3. Okay. And then we add this. Instance. What is that? DB SQLIte3 instance. DB SQLIte3. It seems like it just automates it for me, which is beautiful. Now I take down the containers that are running. Stop. Stop. Could have sworn I already deleted it. Oh no, that was mine. Boom, boom, boom. I don't want none of these. I want to get something working fully. Oops, not that. Run Docker compose. I have not. Oh shit! I forgot. I bought this coffee. I ain't even take a sip yet. That's crazy. Cannot access. What does that even mean? Is that the Docker file or the Docker compose? I wonder, is that gonna fuck with how the database? Let's see. Let's just try it and see. We could just sit back while we wait for this to compile. See what happens. Ooh, okay. Let's see what happens. Boom. Oh, that can't be good. Let's see. Wasn't this just working? Logs. I ain't even doing much. I just made this. So what could I have done that would have fucked it up? Is it this? Stop that container. Let's build this again. Start it. Here we go. User Batman. I have too many browsers open. I don't like this. Oh, maybe DigitalOcean has something. DigitalOcean Docker Flask. Okay. What if, which one is running right now? This one is exited, this one is running. What if we do this? It's exec chmod 666 ls chmod 666 app instance. What you mean? What you mean? I want the name to be Batman. Why is it not Batman? Is it because of this one? I don't. Oh wait, I'm editing the wrong file. difference? Doesn't look like it. Oh shit. We gonna get this solved. Honestly, this coffee ain't doing shit for me because I'm probably gonna knock out soon. I do want to get this working though. And now it's not connecting again. What's up with that? Excuse me. Let's try to restart it. Oh, nice. That's convenient. Just a stop and a start. I have to wait for it to recompile every time. So what the fuck? What did we change? Run user app, Flask app equals main. Okay, let's just run it like that. Copy, work done. All we did was okay. Isn't that beautiful? It says it's running. Let's stop. I fucking deleted it, man. I'm fucking slow. Should we be okay, I think we should be running this from the Docker compose. Docker Flask demo. There we go. What's the difference? Okay. Is Docker compose versus Docker file? Multi-container applications. Okay, so these are two different things. So the Docker file doesn't use delete this. Seems like the issue might be related to the user permissions when running a container since you are switching to make sure okay, let me see. Let's see if that fixes anything. I just drunk a whole cup of coffee and I still feel like I want to knock out. Okay, that does nothing. Does this change anything? Looks like the same thing. That is the same thing. Docker compose. Okay, we'll just try to fix the Docker compose, I guess. Hello world, it's working, user, but this doesn't work. Okay. With this Docker compose, when I try to create a user, gives me this error. What is not to? Son, does this even correlate though? I don't know if these two things correlate. I'll update it regardless. let's try to run the Docker compose. Boom. Started. Is there two running at the same time? We'll stop both of them, delete both of them, run a brand new one. I don't know which one is which. Man, alright. Let's see here. We got it running, we just need to fix what's wrong with the database. Excuse me. You know what? I'm gonna go take a nap. And I will stream later because I'm